Is this you? Your once mighty Ecovacs Deebot T8 Plus is suddenly as responsive as a rock. You press the button, check the app, maybe even give it a little shake. Nothing. If you're dealing with a short runtime, a complete lack of response, or a Deebot not charging, you're definitely not alone. It's a common issue plaguing owners of this fantastic model. The likely culprit? A faulty battery. After hundreds of cleaning cycles, the internal battery simply degrades and can no longer hold a charge, effectively cutting power to your robot's brain and motors. Ignoring this means you're stuck with a robot that can't clean, forcing you back to the old vacuum cleaner you thought you'd escape. But don't even think about buying a new robot. This doesn't have to be the end for your Deebot. This is where RoboCare comes in. Our trained technicians are experts on the entire Ecovacs Deebot lineup. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using professional diagnostic tools, we first confirm that the battery is the true culprit and that the issue isn't a more complex problem with the motherboard or charging dock. It's the expert solution that saves you from buying a whole new machine. But seeing is believing. Let's take a look at the results. And look at it now! Full power, maximum runtime, and a perfect clean every single time. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If your robot vacuum is acting up, I honestly can't recommend RoboCare enough. From the frustrating beginning to this perfect ending, they made the entire process painless. They were professional, fast, and they saved me a ton of money. They genuinely know what they're doing.
Ready to bring your robot back to life? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or ask about our convenient nationwide courier option.